Thanks for joining me today and learning how to make April's advanced block of the month. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining me today and learning how to make. Thanks for joining me today and learning how to make April's April's advanced block of the month. Help me out and hit that subscribe button and big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it, and so will you.
What?
If you haven't done so already, If you haven't connected with me already on Facebook, make sure to find me at Quilted. If you haven't connected with me on Facebook, feel free to check me out.
She just really wanna check me out.
That way you'll be able to vote. That way you can post a video. From there, you can post a photo of your completed block. I would love to see it. In the meantime, until next time, feel free to click on my Block of the Month playlist, and you can also find in there, you'll also feel free to check out the playlist of previous Block of the Month. Until next time, until then, feel free to check out my previous Block of the Month